Chapter 2 The Voice of Mirrors. Homa spent the entire day in silence. She didn't answer her friends' calls, nor did she reply to the painting class messages. She just stared at the cracked mirror, as if waiting for it to call her again. But the mirror remained silent. No light, no sound, no tremble. Until sunset, when Grandma Nahid entered the room, wearing her old floral chador, carrying the scent of rosewater and rain-soaked earth. Her gaze fell upon the mirror, and her lips trembled. "It's finally awakened," Homa asked in surprise. "You knew?" Grandma sighed and sat beside the bed. "This mirror was mine when I was your age. One night, just like you, it called me. I went, but I returned with a broken heart." Homa asked, "That boy, Radman, is he real?" Grandma fixed her eyes on the mirror. "More real than many things you believe in. But over there, everything has a price. Even love." Homa felt her heart beat faster. "I have to go. I need to know why it called me." Grandma stood up, walked to the wardrobe, and brought out a wooden box. Inside was a necklace with a blue stone that shimmered like a mirror. "If you're going, wear this. It's protection. But remember, that world isn't only light. There are shadows too. And every mirror holds a bitter truth." Homa took the necklace, and in that moment, the mirror trembled again. Blue light burst from the cracks, and a soft voice whispered, "Homa, it's time." End of chapter 2.